Good morning, everyone. So you're familiar with this setup. Today we are going to work on our abs. And that's it for now. Perhaps we'll have another workout later. Hopefully all of you are aware that we are working on the LW500 latch bar exercise system. And we are going to use a couple of components today. We're going to use a basic latch bar. The basic latch bar has a couple of straps attached to it so that we can do sit-ups and also crunches. And we are going to use the deluxe latch bar, which is mounted to the wall over here on the bottom rack and also on the top rack. We're going to use both of those. We're going to use a pull-down bar, which is the deluxe round bar, and we're going to use a set of straps on the bottom to do a pull-up crunch. And that's going to be all we're going to use. Our website is www.lw500products.net. Let's get started. It's sit-up time. We go from sit-ups to crunch to a pull-up crunch to a pull-down crunch. We're going to do 4 steps. 4 steps at 25 each, so each set will represent 100. Step 1, down the tubes. Step 2, crunches. Get those knees in the up position so that you can conduct your crunch as such. Step 3, going to our pull-up crunch. Ooh. Step 4, our pull down crunch. Oh, yes. Back to the floor to start all over again. That was step 4. Now we're going back to step 1. This is an ab workout exclusive. The abs is the most troubled area of the body. So we need to devote time to work on just abs. Step 2, crunch. Get our knees in the up position. Let's get started. You should be starting to feel a burn in that abdomen if you're doing it correctly. I'm starting to feel a burn. Let's swing right around and do some more abs. Like I said, the abdomen is the toughest part of the body to work on, and also the toughest part to tame. Yep. It's like a wild animal. You gotta try and tame it. Get it under control. It's not easy. Don't just pull yourself up. Also use your abs to assist you. You're looking to strengthen your abs. So you need to use your abs to complete the process. Step 4, set 2. Back to step one. That's only 200. That's nothing. We need to do at least 500. Nothing comes easy. Nothing comes easy, so we have to work at it. If you want results, you got to work on it. You want good results, not bad results. And also keep in mind, you're not going to get good results if you always continue to abuse yourself. And by that, I mean not watching your diet. We also have to think about pushing ourselves away from the table. Don't overeat. It's not good for you. And eat some vegetables. Slow down on all the meat. I'm not telling you not to eat meat. Just don't eat as much. And eat plenty of vegetables. Vegetables and fruit. You need to always remember, your fatty cells carry the sickness. The most sickness that we get, no matter what it is, your fatty cells usually contribute to it. So you want to try and minimize those fatty cells that are in your abdomen. And I understand it's not easy. You get high blood pressure from your abdomen being too big. You get high blood pressure from the wrong things that you eat. You get a high blood pressure from sugar. Be careful with all the sugar, the drinks, the food. just be careful, be aware that it's there. Diabetes, same thing. Unless you're inheriting it, in most cases you can get some type of control of it. And even if you inherit it, you can work on it. I understand our parents had a lot of different things, but they got it because they didn't do the right thing too. So most likely you're following their footsteps and you got the same thing. I have the same problem. Look at me. I have high blood pressure. You wouldn't think it, but we all get these things and you can't imagine what someone else has. Do yourself a favor. Buy yourself a blood pressure monitor. Check your own blood pressure. Make sure you're on top of these things. Diet and exercise will help improve your health. There's no doubt about it. I love using the Latch bar system. It enables you to work out in a much more congenial way, and a way that you're used to working out. The Latch bar exercise system is on my website, www.LW500products.net. And you'll be surprised you can get good health and not spend a lot of money. It's your choice, or you can spend a lot of money and you're not going to get any better results. So it's your choice. And if you're getting up here in age, I suggest you leave that iron alone. You need to go to resistance bands. You're not going to get any bigger. Your muscles aren't going to grow after you're a certain age. You can forget it. This will keep you strong enough and keep you toned with what you have, because you're not going to get anything else unless you go that danger route. So you don't want to go that route. You don't want to be popping all these pills and stuff. You just want to do some exercise. Trust me, it'll keep you strong. And resistance bands, for us older guys and gals, is the correct way to approach your health. Trust me. I'm not ruling out the cardio stuff. You need to do that too. But you need to strengthen your muscles so that you will later on in life still have some strength. Enough of my talking. Let's finish the workout. In all seriousness, working out is extremely important to your health. And going to the doctor is also extremely important. So if you don't have a doctor, you need to get a doctor and get yourself annual physicals. Especially as we age, physicals are very, very important. So is working out, exercise, very, very important. Don't wait till the doctor tells you that you need to exercise. Exercise on your own, because you need to. I can't impress that upon you enough. We all need to exercise to contribute to our good health. Sitting on that sofa and falling asleep every night is contributing to your bad health. Look at those sit-ups. Look at those sit-ups. Can you do sit-ups like that? That was 25 sit-ups. And now we're gonna do 25 crunches. We're working on set number 4, we're going to step 2, the crunch step. We are using the basic latch bar with a set of straps and hand grips. How about that? Can you do crunches like that? You could be if you had my system. And then, of course, it would take practice. Some of you may think this is easy. It's not as easy as it looks. I have a studio located in Nyack. You're welcome to schedule an appointment to come by and test out the equipment. My telephone number, 845-535-3212. That's 845-535-3212. Call, schedule an appointment. If you call, please be serious. I get enough pranksters and I get enough telemarketing calls. So please don't call and waste my time and your time. Step 4 of set 4. Are you ready for step 5 or set number 5? Step 1, let's go. We got 4 sets in the bag. Let's get 5 done. Hey ladies, the invitation is open to you too. I'm not just talking to the guys, I'm also talking to you ladies just as well. We all have the same problems, and they can all be solved the same way. with a little bit of exercise. That's right, I know you got an hour a day. That's all you need. It's just an hour a day to get your workout on to improve your health. Okay. Step 2, set number 5. Crunches. That's right, you gotta put some effort into it. Put some effort into it to get some results. Step 3, set 5. Hey, I get tired too. That's right. We all get tired. That's no reason to quit. Set 5, step 4. We got 500 going. We're only at 29 minutes. 30 minutes. We got 500 going. How about that? Can we get another set in? I think we can. Let's go for set number 6. Gotta work those abs. If you don't work those abs, your core will remain weak. But don't get me wrong, you can still have a real strong stomach and it'd be very large. Just doesn't look nice. So that's why we're here, to try and work on those calories, to reduce the size of our stomach. Most of us need to do that. It's very important, trust me. Those fatty cells will lead us to our graves. So let's try and get rid of them. Because the Grim Reaper is right around the corner. You don't want the Grim Reaper to be part of you with all those fatty cells. So come on, let's get with it. Step 2 is back to crunches. Get our knees up. Get ourselves in position. You see, there's nothing that can take the place of working on your abs. You just have to do it. Weightlifting, it helps your arms. You'll still have to do crunches of some sort to help your abs. So this is the best approach that we've used ever since we were kids. Crunches and sit-ups. And they were very, very effective. And they're still effective now. It's just that we don't do them. We need to do them. So if you think you're cheating when you do this, remember, you're only cheating yourself. If you're only using your arms to pull yourself up, then your arms are going to hurt later. So you're not cheating. Sooner or later, you'll start to use your abs to help your arms out because your arms are going to hurt so badly. That's right. So you're not just working on your abs. In each one of these exercises, you're also working on your arms at the same time. The only one that you don't as much is this one. But in the other 3 steps, you're working your biceps out an awful lot. So achieving 2 exercises in one. Like the old saying goes, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. That's what we're doing. Sixth set. I think we're going to call it on this number 6 set. I got a feeling that I'll be back in here later doing something else. But abs will be included. So we're going to call this a workout session complete. This will conclude our ab workout. We did 600 various abdominal exercise. I think that's good enough for a start. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.